At Mount Vernon High School, the IB Diploma program offers students a variety of rigorous science and mathematics courses that allow students to be challenged at multiple levels.
I think one way in science that we can challenge kids to go beyond what they normally think they can do or believe they can do is by creating an opportunity for an experience where there's no limit to what they're studying, right? So by creating an inquiry experience where I'm not telling them you have to go do this, but I'm offering them something to investigate, and now they can run with their curiosity and their imagination and let that intrinsically motivate them to go further than they normally would have if I had set the parameters of what they were allowed to do.
Physics teacher Charles Sabache believes that mathematics and science naturally go hand in hand, and thereby appeal to the logic of a number of students, allowing them to excel in all curriculum areas.
Math is really important in pursuing higher level science in that it's a tool that we use to better understand scientific phenomena. It's especially important in IB physics because we look at the concepts and then we use math as a tool to help us quantify the relationships that we're studying. And so one thing we always do in physics is we want to come up with the idea, with our understanding of what the phenomena is, and then we want to be able to quantify that using our math skills to better understand it and to be able to make predictions about how this might happen in the future or what it was doing in the past.
A love of mathematics and science is what drives Adele, a senior at Mount Vernon High School, to pursue his goal of obtaining a degree in engineering.
I want to be a chemical engineer when I grow up, and that's that common image people getting mixing chemicals together at work. And it's really the art of making, or the science of making the tools that other sciences use, and I think that I want to be at the basis of everything, so chemical engineering is my thing.
In addition to crediting a very strong mathematics teacher at Mount Vernon, Adele shares that his passion to be an engineer came from a very unlikely inspiration: Jimmy Neutron.
Cartoons make a big difference on kids. We grow up with them, that's what we see every day. They sort of unleash our imagination, they sort of capture it, and they show us can't be done now, but show us what could be possible if we just kept working at it.
In the 21st century, the use of technology is a normal tool in students' everyday life. At Mount Vernon, this tool extends beyond the walls of the classroom to online learning opportunities. Utilizing the technology available through Blackboard Collaborate, Adele is also able to pursue his love of multivariable calculus by taking a class at South County High School, all from the comfort of his home school at Mount Vernon.
Without technology, I would not be able to participate in my math class because the days before school started, there was no way that I could fit in driving, no way I could afford driving, and I would have just given it up if they hadn't agreed to work with me online. As much as I love math, I don't want to sacrifice or compromise other subjects because I have other interests, and I don't want to be left out of my school every morning. There's morning announcements, there's meeting with my friends, there's meetings that go on before school. So I'd be missing out on all that if I had to travel every class period. And some kids choose to do that. But just for me, I'm really involved and devoted to my club, so I just didn't see that happening. So I had to find an online solution for it.
Increasing opportunities and choices through a rigorous curriculum is an important part of the FCPS Mathematics and Science program. By providing an environment that offers higher-level courses, students are continually motivated to challenge themselves at the next level, thereby preparing them for success in college, a career, and beyond.
I think math and science is one of the best choices a student can make in pursuing a career. The opportunities that will be available to them, the things that they'll be able to do, the places they'll be able to go are just beyond anything else they'll be able to study.